So I'm inspecting this tankless water heater. Here's the controls, set at 121 degrees Fahrenheit. And on the left side of the tankless water heater appliance, it has all the warning labels and instructions, some maintenance tips. And on the right side, it's got the rating plate. And below that will be the manufacturer's model number, serial number, and the energy efficiency. This is highly energy efficient, using most of the fuel. And this could run on propane or natural gas. Part of the inspection, take the bottom panel off. The top hood can be removed, but it's going to give you an error warning. And this is the vent, so combustion air on the left, exhaust gases on the top. This is an outside installation. And I just look for damage, clogging, rust, corrosion, water leaks. It's mounted securely. It's got a metal bracket secured to the house, the siding. Hopefully it goes into the studs. And there's some separation there with those little pegs to give it some clearance between the unit itself and the house, according to the manufacturer's installation manual. And the components that you can easily see underneath, the pipes. So it's natural gas. I got a gas valve from the house, the pipe from the house. Oh, that's the discharge from the pressure relief valve, the temperature pressure relief valve. If it's above 150 psi, it'll discharge. Since it's tankless, it's not really a TPR valve. Gas line valve. There's the insulated pipe, water pipe there with a valve behind it. You can see there's the filter drain right there, an electrical cord and conduit, some other controls there for testing and maintenance. And then got the TPR valve there and the gas line to the unit. The pipes are insulated to prevent freezing and have efficiency, not losing any heat there. And the temperature pressure relief valve is discharging below the unit. And this is an outdoor unit. And from inside the house, there are the pipes to the unit outside. It's kind of difficult to see, but there are 4 pipes to pay attention to. The gas supply line is on the left, cold water line, and 2 hot lines. And the 2 hot lines are part of the recycling. So it's a gas, cold water, hot. And the 2 hot lines are warm to the touch. And that's because this unit is a recirculating pump. There's a recirculating pump installed inside the tankless water heater itself. So the circulating hot water goes down this pipe and it circulates to the furthest fixture. It goes all the way down so that anything to the right, it branches off and it's a short run to get hot water to that fixture. And that's how you can get quote unquote instant hot water. And so you remove that. It doesn't like it. It gives you an error code because you took off the hood. But they're the components. And basically the components are, the heat exchanger, that shiny thing on the right. There's the exhaust for the appliance itself, double heat exchanger, some controls. There's a circulating pump right behind the controls. And I'm just looking for rust and corrosion and any signs of recent service. And this unit, just like all appliances this complicated, needs a good service and cleaning every year.